I'm live in Annapolis. I'm here to see Senator Justin Reddy, but he don't want to see me. They've been blocking to see me since the session started. I'm a black Republican. I'm a black radical Republican. I'm a Republican. I joined the Republican Party to make the Republicans deal with racism. Governor Hogan had me taken off the ballot in 2014. That's voter suppression by the Republican Party. Democrats too. So I'm here to address these issues. That's Senator Ellis, that's Senator Lewis Young, Benjamin Brooks, Senator Hester, and Alonzo Washington. All right, I got a 9 o'clock appointment for Senator Benjamin Brooks. So we're gonna walk down the halls of Annapolis. I've been here since 7 o'clock. Westmore security sent me. I shot my little video in front of the mansion. So, like I said, 9 o'clock, this is what I'm bringing to Mr. Brooks. This is public access, public accommodations, computer terminal, all right? And this is what I did. I gave my presentation. This is an elevator pitch. Contact Peter Francott. He has the criminal charges. Delegate Stephanie Smith as well. All right. That's the Maryland State Board of Elections. Whistleblower 2022, Eric Barron. That's whistleblower. That's Eric Barron right there. Exposing Scott Shellenberger. That's Jared Jimenez from CNN. He used to be with the Baltimore WBAL. I'm a mentor in Baltimore, North County High School. All right. So this is just, like I said, art and evidence, the art of protest. We talking about voter suppression, $250 million in intellectual property theft. All right, that's the state of Maryland. See who that's from? That's the State Public Defender's Office. They sent this back. They sent this back. That's the State Public Defender's Office. This is the Clerk of the Court's office. They sent this back. And this is Benjamin. All right, they sent this back. See the date? That's a whistleblower in the courts, 2006 to 2023. That's the Department of Justice, Nicole Porter. Y'all got the dissent decree in Baltimore City, but not Baltimore County. See that? Whistleblower, Department of Justice. That's my Department of Justice ID number. That's M&T Bank. I'm a weaver in Baltimore, weaving a better Baltimore. That's asset recovery because y'all took property from me. Y'all took my intellectual property, so the state got to compensate me for those losses, Governor Westmore. See that? Artwork and evidence. We talking about voter suppression. That's Jared Jimenez, so everything Jared Jimenez got, you got to turn over. You kidnapped me from my family in 2007. In 2011, you kidnapped me from my family. It's making a documentary about Maryland's prison industry. Governor O'Malley's mom machine. That's Governor O'Malley and me. And that's Brave Boy. And Brave Boy got this. We talking about the cover-up crew. That's parole and probation. All right? I went home on vacation, came back on probation. Y'all owe me money. You took $1,500 from me. Y'all got to compensate me. I was making a documentary about your parole and probation. That's Internal Affairs, 2010. Y'all came in my house and put guns to my head. Honoring my mother and my father. I'm showing you about race and racism. They was born in 1926 and in 1929. My grandfather was born in 1901. My grandfather's father. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing you slavery then and slavery now. Art and activism. That's Chuck D, Public Enemy. Yeah, I use the toilet because the toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. The toilet take your shit every day. I'm an activist in Baltimore. That's me, the best of the best in 2016. That's me right here, Shorty's Pit Beef and Rib Shack. Meat on fire. That's Governor Westmore. And Governor Westmore, you got this up too. You got to answer this. That's the Baltimore Orioles. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. Governor Westmore, Brooke Learman, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Ivan Bates, Brave Boy. Y'all got to criminally charge Scott Shellenberger because he knowingly destroyed evidence. He participated in fraud in the court. You can't protect Scott Shellenberger and protect a criminal enterprise. That's the Rico Act. I'm looking for exoneration of the Supreme Court in 2024. Yep, exoneration of the Supreme Court. That's the Liberty Bell. Whitey in my toilet. Because Shorty's traveling art show. That's a toilet. That's the First Amendment of the Constitution. Freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, the freedom to address issues and grievances toward our government. That's my lawyer, Mr. Phillip. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. That's my house, 1402 Lochner. You kidnapped me from my home. 1402 Lochner. Mr. Bailey got this, and it's certified. Like I said, I'm getting ready to get this to Mr. Brooks. That's me, Dwayne Shorty Davis. Dwayne G. Davis, Shorty's Barbecue, Art and Activism. Are you ready for this movie? No! The movie's all about you. It's called Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects?
No.
Okay. Well, Governor, let's push buttons. We pushing buttons today.
Governor Larry Hogan made $4 billion off of slave labor in his 8 years in office. I'm a cook, I'm a caterer. Governor Hogan had me removed from the ballot. I'm a black radical Republican. I'm a black Republican. If you want to address racism, you got to send Governor Hogan to jail. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Hogan.
I'm not McGrath. That's Scott Shellenberger. In 2011, I put a toilet in front of the courthouse. It was about Scott Shellenberger. It was about the prison industry. You can ask Christopher Williams. You can ask Nicole Mundo. You can ask Karen York. You can ask Out for Justice. You can ask anybody who anybody. The toilet don't care if you're black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. 2024, I want Scott Shellenberger criminally charged. Kidnapping is against the law. Destroying the evidence is against the law. Presenting false evidence to the grand jury is against the law. Baltimore City and Baltimore County got this. Your law department got this. Your state prosecutor got this. Anthony Brown got this. Y'all can't keep protecting Shellenberger. Yeah, it's going to be the fall of your party. You feel me? Same thing make you laugh, make you cry. Like I said, I got my shit together. I'm getting ready to sell this to Hollywood. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Michelle Alexander wrote the book, The New Face of Old Jim Crow. Dog, I made the movie long time ago. 1986, N62528. I told you about the money behind the machine. Now I'm going to show you the players. That's a player. That's a player. Don't hate the player, hate the game.